previous video, we would be going on to chapter 5. I lied. I wanted to do a whole another segment on this tricky vowel sound, these two dots, the schwa. So this is an entire video dedicated to letter vowel combinations using the schwa vowel sound. And we go over the 5 different ways that we see them. And then on the bottom of the page, which I'll show to you shortly, I kind of do a mix-up, mash-up of everything kind of back-to-back out of order. So the easiest two to remember, whenever it is sounded, it's going to be as in kit, lit, sit, bit, fit, IH. It should be coming out of behind your top 2 front teeth, and some air should be just passing right through there. So beginning with line 1, whenever you see the vowel sound at the beginning, under the very first letter of a word, a letter vowel combination, whatever it is, it's going to be sounded. So in this case, lema, shema, tena, rila, niman, limam. Line 2, we have the vowel sound at the end of a word, or a letter vowel combination in our case. In this case, it's going to be silent. It's as if this vowel sound is not even there. Mal, tal, shal, bat, ha'ab, ashal, lamash. Line 3, sorry, lost count. Line 3, we have 2 schwas next to each other. We have 2 different letters. And so in this case, when they're back to back like this and 2 different letters, the first one is silent. The second one is sounded. The first one is silent and the second one is sounded. So we're just going to hear the consonant of the schwa with the first letter, and then the vowel sound and the consonant of the second letter. Okay, so in our case, nal, bisho, nal, bisho, nal, bisho, tashmiraim, tashmiraim, mashmiro, mashmiro, ashlibo, ashlibo, tashlime, tashlime. Hopefully that's clear. Line 4, 9 times out of 10, it's usually going to be silent when the schwa appears in the middle of a word on its own, no matching letters before it. No matching letter before it with the schwa vowel sound. So in this case, we're just going to close to the consonant of the letter above the schwa in line 4. So, shomre, almay, ashrei, shamnon, shomron, shomrom. Again, closing to the consonant of the letter with the one schwa vowel sound. Shomre, almay, ashrei, shamnon, shomron, shomrom. Line 5, when we have 2 of the same letter, there will be a schwa on the first of those matching letters, and we will want to hear both of these letters to hear that both of those letters are in there, either because it is part of the root of the word, and also because it's correct. So in this case, sha, ti, ta. So sha, ti, ta. 2 of the same letters. We want to hear both of these vowel sounds. sha, ti, ta. Ro, mi, ma. Sho, li, la. Sho, mi, mote. Bo, li, lote. Next. Forget what I was going to say. Notice I'm not closing to any of these schwa vowel sounds by themselves. I'm pronouncing this vowel sound. So instead of sha, ta, it is sha, ti, ta. It's not ro, ma, because that sounds like one mem in there. It's ro, mi, ma, etc. Okay? Going on to some review on the bottom of the page, lines 6, 7, and 8. I will try to throw out what rule we're looking at. But if you'd like to, go ahead and pause the video and test yourself. So line 6. Beginning of the word, it is sounded. Tile, tire, nishe, mille, bire. End of the word, it's going to be silent. Shemate, minat, binat. So I threw in both of the rules here. Beginning of a word, it's sounded. End of the word is silent. Shemate, minat, binat. Line 7. The first 3, you have one of these schwa vowel sounds underneath and no matching letter before that letter with the schwa vowel sound. Okay? In our case, they are all lamids with the schwa vowel sound. So we're just going to close to the consonant of the lamid. El bash, nal besh, almon. These next two, remember, 2 schwas next to each other, 2 different letters. The first one is silent. The second one is sounded. So we're going to hear the consonant of the lamid, and we're going to hear the consonant and the vowel sound of the bet. Nal be sho. Nal be sho. Tal be she. Tal be she. And then one schwa vowel sound on its own, no matching letter before it. It's going to be silent. We're just going to close to the consonant of the lamid. Tal besh. Tal besh. Line 8, 2 more examples of when it's the schwa vowel sound is alone, no matching letter before it. Schwa vowel sound is alone, no matching letter before it. So we're just going to close to the consonant of these reishes in our case. So line 8, or la, or lot. Now we have 2 reishes. We want to hear both of these. So the schwa will be pronounced with the resh, and this ah vowel sound is going to be pronounced with the resh. O, re, ra. O, re, ra. Same thing here. Resh with the 2 dots underneath will be pronounced because it has another resh right after it with an O vowel sound closing to a taf. O, re, wrote. O, re, wrote. And then schwa by itself, no matching letter before it, or low, or low. Now I will see you for chapter 5 in the next video.